Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Though education level in recent years has increased, but skill development is still a crucial issue. Full stop. Moreover, poverty, limited access to skill-based education, work experience are some of the major factors that led to unemployment and underemployment. Full stop. Current Prime Minister Narendra Modi too has emphasized on skill development of youth so that they would be able to fulfill the mission of nation building. Full stop. Paragraph change. Government should set up their efforts to support skill and retraining activities to address the gaps between demand and supply of work skills and qualifications. Full stop. The country needs to take a serious look at its present scenario and think of some serious remedial measures to face the mammoth problem of unemployment. Full stop. Paragraph change. The society has to change its outlook on white collar and blue collar jobs, along with a change in education system and needs to create more opportunities of self-employment. Full stop. Stress on vocational training is needed urgently. Full stop. Then only we can overcome the growing problem of unemployment in the country. Full stop. Paragraph change. The government of India has taken several steps to decrease the unemployment rate, like launching Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, which guarantees a 100-day employment to an unemployed person in a year. Full stop. Paragraph change. The scheme of unemployment allowance was launched by Samajwadi Party, wherein Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav distributed allowance of rupees 1000 per month to the unemployed youths in the age group of 25 to 40 full stop, paragraph change. Drought prone area program proved fruitful, particularly in removing seasonal unemployment in about 13 states full stop. Self-employment training was also given to young men, along with which financial assistance from the bank was also extended full stop. Government also helps people to get employment abroad full stop. With the recent development, comma, wherein Prime Minister Narendra Modi is calling foreign investors to set up industries in India, comma, soon the problem of unemployment would be seen as a thing of the past, full stop, stop.